The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is shaping up to be its best version we've seen so far, bringing a first-ever in-house hybrid system, a large cabin, and technology that makes rivals feel like a generation behind. If you're in the market for a compact SUV, you owe it to yourself to see exactly what you'd be walking away from before you commit. Most people assume waiting for a new model year just means a fresh color palette and a mild refresh. But what Mazda is bringing for 2027 is the kind of overhaul that changes the vehicle's identity entirely, and buying the current version before it arrives could turn out to be one of the more expensive decisions in this price range. Number 7. Hybrid is coming. For the first time in CX-5 history, a hybrid powertrain is joining the lineup, and Mazda isn't taking the shortcut most expected. While the CX-50 Hybrid borrowed its gas-electric system from the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the 2027 CX-5 is going a completely different route, powered by a hybrid system developed entirely in-house by Mazda. Think about what most compact SUV owners are dealing with at the pump right now. You're driving a vehicle in the mid-$30,000 range, filling a tank every week, and the fuel economy figures that were supposed to justify your purchase are landing around 26 combined miles per gallon in real-world conditions. The 2027 Hybrid is being engineered specifically to change that equation, with fuel economy targets set in the mid-30s to low 40s per gallon. The powertrain is going to center on Mazda's 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder, paired with at least one electric motor and standard all-wheel drive. Power is being targeted between the base 187 horsepower engine and the 256 horsepower turbo unit, landing precisely where daily performance and long-term efficiency intersect. But the hybrid powertrain is only part of the equation. What Mazda is pairing it with is where this SUV starts pulling away from every rival in the segment. Number 6. No CVT this time. There's an unspoken rule in the compact hybrid SUV segment. If it's a hybrid, it almost certainly has a CVT. The RAV4 Hybrid, the CR-V Hybrid, the Escape Hybrid, they all use one. Even the CX-50 Hybrid, despite carrying Mazda's name, ships with a continuously variable transmission. Anyone who commutes daily in one of these vehicles knows what happens the moment you accelerate with any urgency. That familiar engine drone kicks in, revs climbing, the car hesitating to respond, and the interaction feels disconnected and flat. It compounds quietly over months, and the fuel savings that were supposed to make the hybrid worthwhile start to feel like a trade you didn't fully agree to. The 2027 CX-5 is about to arrive with a genuine automatic transmission, a decision that aligns with Mazda's driver engagement philosophy and breaks from what every major rival currently offers. The acceleration will feel proportional, the gear changes deliberate, and the connection between driver and vehicle intact. Where the rest of the segment accepts the CVT as an unavoidable consequence of hybridization, Mazda is treating it as a problem worth solving. And that argument means considerably more when the cabin surrounding you has finally been redesigned to match it. Number 5. Spacious cabin. Previous generations of the CX-5 built a strong reputation for interior refinement, but rear passenger space was always the weak point. Backseat occupants consistently found the CX-5 tight, and cargo volume trailed class leaders by a margin that was hard to ignore. Most people don't feel this limitation until it's too late. The first long road trip, 2 adults in the back, luggage loaded, is when it becomes undeniable. Legs run out of room. The cargo floor sits just high enough to make loading anything awkward. It's a recurring frustration for a vehicle that otherwise earns consistent praise. The 2027 generation is coming with a direct fix. The wheelbase is growing by 4.5 inches, the body is extending in length by the same margin, and the width is increasing by ½ an inch, translating to more legroom, knee clearance, and improved headroom in the second row. The cargo area is getting longer with a lower load floor, and the door openings themselves are widening. The CX-5 is keeping its polished character while closing the space gap competitors have been exploiting for years. And if the cabin upgrade is impressive on its own, the technology Mazda is putting inside it makes the full picture even harder to walk away from. Number 4. Modern tech features. The previous CX-5 launched with a rotary knob-based infotainment system that divided opinion. Enthusiasts appreciated the minimal distraction approach. Others found it slower and less intuitive than the touchscreen setups in rival vehicles. The argument ends with the new model. A standard 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen is arriving as the baseline, with an available 15.6-inch display on upper trims. That's the largest screen Mazda has ever placed in a production vehicle. Both units run Google-based software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Maps, Maps, and Google Assistant all standard. USB-C ports are being fitted in both seating rows, and a wireless charging pad is expected up front. The driver assistance suite is expanding significantly as well. Front automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control are all going to be standard across the entire range. An optional digital driver's display and 7-color ambient lighting round out the package. All of this new technology is worth getting excited about, but for buyers who'd rather skip the complexity, the 2027 CX-5 still has one of the most reassuring answers in the segment. Number 3. Proven gas engine. The hybrid is the headliner, but the naturally aspirated gas version isn't going anywhere. And for a meaningful share of buyers, that continuity is a genuine selling point. Here's what often gets overlooked in the push toward newer powertrains. Every time a manufacturer launches a turbocharged engine or an electrified drivetrain, there's an early production window where unforeseen issues surface. Early adopters absorb those costs, sometimes recalls, sometimes repairs that arrive before the warranty expires. Buyers who've lived through that tend to develop a strong preference for a known quantity. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, continuing in the 2027 CX-5 is exactly that. 187 horsepower, 186 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic, and standard all-wheel drive, with updated suspension tuning sharpening the driving feel over the previous generation. For buyers approaching a 10-year ownership horizon, a proven powertrain carries real financial weight. But there's another quality the 2027 CX-5 carries regardless of which powertrain you choose. And it's the one thing no competitor at this price point has been able to replicate. Number 2. Sporty handling. Ask compact SUV shoppers which vehicle in this segment actually rewards the person behind the wheel, and the answer tends to circle back. The CX-5 drives differently, not sharper in a way that makes the ride punishing, not stiff in a way that makes highway miles tedious, just distinctly, unmistakably more connected. That character is carrying forward in the 2027 model. Suspension geometry is being refined rather than reconsidered, keeping the foundation that made the CX-5 the class benchmark for dynamics intact. Body roll is kept in check without sacrificing ride quality, steering delivers genuine feedback about what the front tires are doing, and the chassis stays composed on smooth and rough roads alike. Steering has also been updated for more feedback during spirited driving while filtering vibrations during highway cruising. Most rivals end up choosing between engagement and comfort rather than finding both. The 2027 CX-5 is continuing to treat that as a false choice. And for anyone who spent time in a Tucson, a Tiguan, or a Sportage wondering why the drive felt so forgettable, the answer is still right here. The real question is whether a vehicle this well-rounded is going to cost the kind of premium you'd normally expect, and that's where the 2027 CX-5 makes its most surprising case yet. Number 1. Excellent value. Pull it all together, and a clear picture emerges. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is shaping up to be among the strongest value propositions in its class. The hybrid variant is expected to start at around $37,000, running to approximately $44,000 across trim levels. The gas model continues from a base of around $31,500. The value case isn't about price per feature, it's about coherence. An SUV where the hybrid system, the transmission, the cabin, the technology, and the driving feel are all working toward the same goal. The previous model was a capable vehicle, but Mazda raises the bar on every front simultaneously. Waiting means getting the CX-5 Mazda has been building toward, not the one it put on hold while the hybrid system was being finished. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is arriving at a moment when most compact SUVs are becoming harder to tell apart, and it's making a case that stands out precisely because it addresses everything at once. An original in-house hybrid system that doesn't borrow from a competitor. A genuine automatic transmission when every rival hybrid defaults to a CVT. A cabin that has finally grown to match buyer expectations at this price point. Technology that's gone from the segment's weakest to one of its strongest. A proven gas engine still available for buyers who value a predictable ownership record. Handling that has defined this class for years and isn't going anywhere. And pricing that puts the full package at around $37,000 for the hybrid, without asking for a luxury premium in return. But rivals will have their trump cards too, starting from the Nissan Rogue you can check out in our next video. It's coming completely redesigned, with novelties in various aspects, including the new revolutionary hybrid system that offers a genuine EV driving experience but without the range anxiety.